The Navy did not use 384.49 million ringgit worth of spare parts for ships that have now gone to waste. The 2024 Auditor-General's report said some of the equipment had been swapped and changed with other brands, rendering the spare parts unusable. Several patrol ships were also decommissioned and assigned to other agencies. The report found that the use of procured spare parts had been less than satisfactory, adding that these parts were produced between 1969 and 2021. The AG's report also said the Navy's ships were not being maintained according to schedule. It attributed this to the Navy's high operational requirements and a backlog at dockyards with the maintenance of other ships still pending. Danish Raja Reza, FMT News.